There's water on the windows, can't tell if it's falling down or streaming up. Everything's blurred at the edges. I'm soaked straight through my fragile skin. The floor is drowning under me. The storm has moved within.
The rain is pouring down inside of me. The rain is pouring down where no one sees. Can't escape the flood I become. The rain is pouring down, I can't outrun. The rain is pouring down inside of me.
The ceiling drips in steady rhythm. The walls are running like they're melting snow. I used to know where weather ended and where I began to show. But the downpour fills up every room now. Each breath is waves against my chest. They said the skies were clear today, but the storm lives where I rest.
The rain is pouring down inside of me. The rain is pouring down when no one sees. I can't stop the storm I've become.
The rain is pouring down, I can't outrun. The rain is pouring down inside of me. I've been holding back the levees, but everything breaks eventually. My face is just a faucet now, running cold endlessly. Tell me when I became the weather. Tell me when the sky fell into me.
The rain is pouring down inside of me.
The rain is pouring down when no one sees. I am the storm, I am the flood. The rain is pouring down, it's in my blood. The rain is pouring down inside of me. Yeah, the rain is pouring down inside of me. From inside, the rain is pouring down. From inside.